Welcome to the official Langualpha guide. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to download, install, sign up, and explore the powerful features of Langualpha, your smart language companion. To get started, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Type Langualpha into the search bar. Look for our logo and tap Install. Once installed, open the app. If you're new, tap Sign Up and enter your name, email, and password. Already have an account? Simply tap Log in. Langualpha is designed to make communication effortless no matter where you're from. Live message translation. Send and receive messages in multiple languages with real-time translations. Voice call translation. Make a call to anyone. Langualpha will translate both sides while you speak. Let's talk. Voice-to-voice conversations. Speak in your language, and Langualpha instantly speaks the translated version aloud. Bluetooth connectivity. Connect to Bluetooth devices like earbuds or speakers for smooth, hands-free conversations. Whether you're traveling, working internationally, or just making new friends, Langualpha empowers you to communicate confidently and effortlessly. Langualpha. Let the world speak your language.